Hi guys, today I'm going to show you all my slime collection. If you want me to show you guys how to make slime, just subscribe and leave it in the comment below. Okay, my first slime is pretty good. You get to poke holes. It's stretchy. Look it. It's very stretchy. It's my favorite slime probably. You get a poke holes. Remember, that's the first slime. Then my second slime is this watery slime. It's pretty dark. It's those watery slimes that feel like water but it's slime. And it has glitter just to make it good. It's really not that stretchy. Look at what happens when you rip. It just looks so weird. Ugh. Look what happens when you drop it in the camera. Drop it like a ton, drop it like a ton, 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 ton. Drop it like a ton, drop it like a ton. Okay, so that's this one basically. Oh my, I'm putting the wrong container. Guys, these slimes are weird. This slime I don't like that well. As you can see, you could poke holes. Look. It's not that noisy. Oh, I like this one. Kinda. It's not my least favorite. But it's right in the middle. I don't like, oh, I like it. That's basically and look at what happens when you rip it. And you get to put them back together. And pieces pop out. So, and this one is one of my least favorites. I made it with eye drops and stuff like that. It's so gooey. Oh. Well guys, that's this slime. I don't like it. And back it turned to a different color. Back then it was bluish, like aqua, and now it's all yellow. This one is my least favorite. It's so hard, rubbery. It can't stretch. It's just a big blob. This one, I like. You could stretch it and add glitter in it. Sorry, my cat's just staring at me. Stop staring at me, stupid cat. This one is just kind of cool. Yeah, I give that one like a 7. It's like metal. I kind of like it, I kind of don't, guys. Oh god. And guys, this slime is pink. I don't know why it came out pink. I put red food coloring and it just... This slime is just like wiggly. And this one I made out of borax. Borax is popular kind of slimes. Get off! Sorry guys. This is borax. Borax slime is like just a blob. It's not slime. It's just like blobby. So guys, that's all my slime. I really started that last week. Subscribe. Go check out another YouTuber named Mario27, Tony Igure, Grace Herrera, and that's pretty much it. Go check out them and bye.